Welcome to the next section of our Photoshop journey. So now that you have your file in place, now we want to look at the tools in Photoshop, the tools you can use in Photoshop. So where the mouse cursor is, those are the common tools available for you to use in Photoshop. You can actually add more to it, or you can even reduce the ones you are seeing. But our focus now is to look at the tools one after the other. Now the first tool is called the Move tool. It's called the Move tool. And then the second one is the Rectangular Marquee tool. So in case you want to make any frame which is a rectangle, then you can use this particular tool. It is used for creating shape of a rectangle. Then you come to lasso tool. So lasso tool is purposely used for creating free selection. So in case you want to select a particular part of an object, you just select it using the lasso tool. Then we have the object selection tool. Now this tool can actually select object for you in case you want to work with removing backgrounds and maxing and other types of things you want to do. You can use the object selection tool to actually select your objects manually or automatically. Then the next is the crop tool. You can crop your images, you can make it neat and resize it using the crop tool. You can also trim or expand the edges of your image using the crop tool. Then we come to the frame tool. So if you want to put an image in an object, or you want to wrap something, you want to put an image in an object nicely, neatly, you can just use the frame tool to make the frame. Then you bring that image, you put it in that frame. And then we have the eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool can help you sample colors. So in case you want to use a particular color for your design, but you don't have the color code, you can use the eyedropper tool to get that particular color by putting it on the color you want. Or if the color is on your image, you place the eyedropper tool on that part of the image and then get it done. Then the next tool is the spot healing brush tool. So this tool can help you remove marks or blemishes, especially when you are doing retouching. You are retouching an image, you can remove the dark spot and other blemishes from the person's face using the spot healing brush tool. Also, when you have an image you want to edit and you want to remove some parts or some marks, you can use the spot healing to do that. Then the next one is the brush tool. Brush tool help you paint. It